Just class. Today we are working on 3.4 multiples and least common multiples. Can you find least common multiples? Alrighty, let's see here. What, my friends, is another name for a multiple? Say again? It says multiple, it says product. It says product and multiple right there, yes? Okay, cool. Multiples. What's it say? Multiples are always... They're always bigger or the same size as the given number. Okay, cool. Least common multiple, what's the abbreviation for least common multiple? Nice job. To find the first 5 multiples of a given number, we use, what are we going to use? What's this called? Snake. So if I give you like the number 4, what is the first multiple of 4? 4, because what do you multiply by? 1. So if I give you the number 4, what is the second multiple of 4? Because you multiply by? 2. What is the third multiple of 4? Because you multiply by? 3. So you just multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That gives you whatever that multiple is, yes? Yes. Okay, so same thing. Here's 6. What is the 100th multiple of 6, you guys? Because it's 6 times 100, which you guys know is 600, yes? Okay, cool. If you wanted to find the LCM of 2 multiples, so if I'm finding the LCM of 4 and 6, so the least common multiple, I still do my snake, yes? And I still do my snake for both numbers, yes? How many numbers should I start by finding? 5 multiples to start, yes? And then once I find 5 multiples, I can start comparing them. So does 4 and 6 have a common multiple of 4? So I cross it off, right? Hello? Yes. Okay, everybody, yes or no? Yes. 4 and 6, does it have a common multiple of 8? No. The video is going to go on and on and on and on and on. I'm asking you a question. I need all of your eyes up here. So again, this isn't working. I'm asking the question, you answer the question. You can't answer the question if you don't know what I'm asking, if you're not looking up at the screen. So I'm going to ask again. 4 and 6. Do 4 and 6 have a common multiple of 4? No. So what do I do? I cross it off. Do 4 and 6 have a common multiple of 8? No. So what do I do? Do 4 and 6 have a common multiple of 12? Yes. So what do I do? I circle both of them, and I just found the smallest number that both 4 and 6 go into, right? 7 and 8. I did this again. I found the first 5 multiples of 7 and 8. I stopped right there. None of them worked, right? So how many more should I find? 3 more multiples for each number, yes? Hello? Yes, and then I start crossing off and comparing, and I found that 56 was the smallest number that 7 and 8 went into. We cool with this? Okay, word problem. Read it carefully. Make sure you pay attention to the wording and see what you need to do. We good?